Alright, so we're going to be putting some mosaics in, and one of the biggest problems is keeping the thin set from oozing through it and getting even with your bigger tiles. So you can set yourself up the night before and put it on some membrane. It'll make it a lot easier to tile tomorrow. So I just did the floor. I'm going to go ahead and set this for tonight, and then we'll be able to get this very easily set into and even with our tile.
How many times do you think you've done this?
I started doing this about, I guess it's really only been 5 years.
Adonis was the first place I saw you.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, it's about 5 years. You can pretty much look at the banding, but you just do want to make sure that this is nice and straight. Alright, so that's day 2. Shower floor down, mosaics ready. So depending on how well it goes tomorrow, I mean, most likely we'll get that wall and this wall. I mean, this one's a little bit complicated over here, so we'll just see where we get, but if we're lucky we could tile the whole thing. You know, it all depends. Tile is one of those things where some days it goes good, some days it goes very difficult. But I'm going to show you some of the most efficient ways tomorrow to go about doing it and, you know, getting the job done.